Morning, everyone. Today I am going to do a cut speed challenge between the Maker 3 on my left and the Maker 4 on my right. So here are two pieces of sample of the permanent vinyl that I got from the Maker 4. I decided to insert it into these machines because then it becomes matless. The nice thing is using smart vinyl, you do not have to have a mat, so I decided to use these two. So I took it from the Maker 4 and Maker 3, and I've already inserted, so I am going to hit the play button. I am using two different machines, two different devices, so that I could load it, so I'm hoping that it doesn't lag. So the Maker 3, I'm using my computer, and the Maker 4, I'm using my iPad. So I already hit go for both of these machines, and both of the machines are getting data from my iPad and my computer. And as you can see, the Maker 4 is slightly a little quicker in just making the determination of when it can cut. So let's take a look and see how fast they finish. But they are both um, these both started at the same time. I started the Maker 3 first by hitting the go button, and you see the Maker 4 is already done. And this is the design I chose. So here, the Maker 3 just finished. So let's take a look at that as well. And you'll see the design. It's the same exact design. But obviously, the Maker 4 started a little faster and cut quicker, obviously. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.